First reading, Revelation chapter 21 verse 9 to 14. One of the 7 angels that had the 7 bowls full of the 7 final plagues came to speak to me and said, "Come here and I will show you the bride that the Lamb has married." In the Spirit, he carried me to the top of a very high mountain, and showed me Jerusalem, the holy city, coming down out of heaven from God. It had all the glory of God and glittered like some precious jewel of crystal clear diamond. Its wall was of a great height and had 12 gates. At each of the 12 gates there was an angel, and over the gates were written the names of the 12 tribes of Israel. On the east there were 3 gates, on the north 3 gates, on the south 3 gates, and on the west 3 gates. The city walls stood on 12 foundation stones, each one of which bore the name of one of the 12 apostles of the Lamb. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 145 verse 10 to 11, 12 to 13, 17 to 18. All your creatures shall thank you, Yahweh, and your faithful shall bless you. They shall speak of the glory of your kingship and tell of your might, making known your mighty deeds to the children of Adam, the glory and majesty of your kingship. Your kingship is a kingship forever, your reign lasts from age to age. Yahweh is trustworthy in all his words, and upright in all his deeds, upright in all that he does. Yahweh acts only in faithful love. He is close to all who call upon him, all who call on him from the heart. Gospel, John chapter 1 verse 45 to 51. Philip found Nathanael and said to him, "We have found him of whom Moses and the law and the prophets wrote, Jesus son of Joseph, from Nazareth." Nathanael said to him, "From Nazareth? Can anything good come from that place?" Philip replied, "Come and see." When Jesus saw Nathanael coming, he said of him, "There, truly, is an Israelite in whom there is no deception." Nathanael asked, "How do you know me?" Jesus replied, "Before Philip came to call you, I saw you under the fig tree." Nathanael answered, "Rabbi, you are the Son of God, you are the King of Israel." Jesus replied, "You believe that just because I said, I saw you under the fig tree. You are going to see greater things than that." And then he added, "In all truth I tell you, you will see heaven open and the angels of God ascending and descending over the Son of Man."